First time I heard about the extreme profit copier software was around 3 weeks ago when I found it on eBay Classifieds. The ad was looking for beta testers to use the software to make money from the internet. The software was free to use, so I thought I'd go on and give it a go. I could never imagine making over $3,600 in 3 weeks. And the crazy thing is I have no clue about how the thing works. I know what? I don't even care. I just follow the instructions for about 20 minutes a day and keep on clicking exactly like the software tells me to.
I've tried 4 to 5 different software products to make some extra cash from the internet. None of them worked like they were supposed to. In fact, I've lost about $850 and wasted countless hours. It makes me actually kind of sick to think about it. Extreme Profit Copier is the only software product that works. It actually makes money. In fact, right now, I am making $1,415 a day, and that's just incredible.
It was actually my brother who first told me about Extreme Profit Copier. He saw an ad on eBay Classifieds, and within a day we both signed up as beta testers. It was literally the first time I ever tried anything like this. I was desperate to quit my job, really fed up with it, and this software came just at the right time. In just a month, I now have over $12,000 in my account. I want to thank David Wright for giving me the opportunity to use this software without asking for a dime.
Congratulations on being invited to this secret website. You were sent here by someone I trust, someone who genuinely cares about your success and wants you to make money, real money. Imagine that a few months from now, this is your account and you're logging in like I'm doing right now. This isn't some crappy photoshopped screenshot. It's real and live login footage showing my personal account. As you can see from the date, this is very recent. Look at the current balance. That's 7 figures you see there. Not 4 or even 5, 7 figures. You're one of the lucky ones, because in exactly 6 minutes and 23 seconds, I'm going to give you the same software which made the money you just saw on screen for free. Don't even think about reaching for your wallet. There's nothing to buy. And there won't be any surprise credit card charges. It's going to take you less than 1 minute to download my point-and-click software and start making money today. And it's 100% legal, legit, and ethical. It's got nothing to do with junk Forex trading systems or worthless internet marketing strategies. You've never seen anything like this before, and you'll never see anything like it again. I've uncovered a way to slip through the cracks and make real money online without people noticing. That's because my software secretly exploits a money loophole in a $5.3 trillion market. Shaving even 0.01% from this trillion-dollar market is enough for you and your family to live a life of luxury. You'll never be able to find this money loophole unless you have the software that knows exactly how to look for it. Before we go any further, I need you to promise me that you'll keep this strictly confidential. I'm not releasing this software app to the general public, and I never will. What I'm about to tell you could expose this loophole if it was leaked to a big corporation or an internet guru. Only a small group of invited people can actually watch this free training video right now. You are one of them. I'm taking a big risk by sharing this with you, but it's for a very good reason. I'll tell you more about that in a second. Because of the risk I'm taking, I have to remove this video in exactly 35 hours. So keep on watching, because if you miss this opportunity, you'll hate yourself later. Hi, I'm David Wright. If everything I told you sounds too good to be true, it should, and here is why. You don't really know me yet, and all I know about you is that you've been personally invited by a good friend of mine. We're basically strangers who've been introduced through a trusted referral. So why on earth am I showing you this? Most people who stumbled on what I'm about to reveal would probably never tell a soul. They'd tap into this loophole every day, keep quiet, and stay filthy rich. But that's not me. I'll explain why in exactly 2 minutes, but first of all, I want to prove to you that for the first time in the history of the internet, even a complete newbie can make money with my software app in just a few minutes. And I'm going to do that by doing a live experiment. A few weeks ago, I posted an ad on eBay Classifieds looking for beta testers to use my software for free. My invitation was only open to complete beginners at making money from the internet. I made that clear in the ad. I've had exactly 11 people reply. So what I'm going to do right now is pick a name out from those 11 responses. I'll pick one at random. Hopefully I'll be able to get through and talk to them. Okay, so let me pick one out. Here we go. Bill Parks. He's mentioned in his reply to the ad that he works full-time for Domino's Pizza. He's also confirmed that he's never tried making money from the internet before. He's left his email and his phone number, so let me try calling him from my Skype. Hopefully he's not on the job right now and he can take this call. Bear with me whilst I connect the call. I'm going to share my screen with you so you can see me making the call.
Hello?
Hi, is this Bill?
Yep.
Hey, Bill, this is David Wright. You replied to my ad on eBay Classifieds to beta test my money-making software and left your contact details? Do you remember the ad?
Yeah, I remember doing that last week, I think.
Oh, good. Say, are you okay to talk right now and test out the software?
I'm a bit busy right now. Do you mind, doing this some other time?
It'll only take like 5 minutes max. I'm actually doing a live presentation right now to a small audience, so you'd really be helping me out by giving up 5 minutes. I promise, you'll be shocked at how much money you can make in just 5 minutes of using my software.
In 5 minutes? What's the catch?
Oh, there's no catch. You're doing me a huge favor by testing out the software, and you get to keep every dollar you make.
Is this legal? It sounds a bit weird.
100% legal. I know it sounds crazy right now, but trust me, this is very real.
I'll try it. What do you need me to do?
Ah, good man, Bill. Okay, I've got your email here. You sent it to me when you replied to the ad. So what I'm going to do right now is email you the instructions you need to get the software set up. Are you on your computer right now?
I was on it 5 minutes ago, but switched off. Can switch it on right now, though.
Okay, perfect. When you log in, please check your email. I've sent you a few really simple instructions showing you how to install the software on your computer. All I want you to do right now is activate the software and open a free account with a broker. The broker account is where you enter your personal info and you get paid if this works like I expect it to. I've added a link to the page where you set up your free account in the email.
Okay, will do.
As soon as you do that, the software starts working automatically and sends you a few more step-by-step instructions. It's really basic stuff. All you need to do is click a few buttons exactly like the software tells you to, and you're good to go. I'll come back to you in 5 minutes. Is that okay?
I'll test it out right now.
Thanks, Bill. Talk to you in 5 minutes. So as you've just seen, this is a real and live beta test. It could actually fail. That's because 13% of the time, my software fails to make any money at all. It's impossible to have a 100% success rate. Anyone who tells you otherwise is probably a guru scammer. An incredible success rate of 87% is exactly why this software is so profitable. And the best thing is that it only takes 9 clicks and 60 seconds to make money with it. So even if you're really busy, you can use it quickly to make money over and over again. Now, before I give you this software, let me take exactly 2 minutes to tell you who I am and why I'm helping you. Last year, I was slaving away as a software developer for a well-known corporation. Before I had the software, here's what my bank account looked like. Depressing, right? But in just over a year, look at the very same account. It's stuffed with so much cash, I barely know what to do with it. I don't mean to brag, but this is no fluke. I can make money like this at will. Thanks to this software, I'll never have to worry about paying another bill or debt again. I'm able to provide for my family in ways that I couldn't have imagined. But to be completely frank with you, I'm embarrassed by how much money I'm making. I'm not an expert at making money from the internet. Not at all. And I'm definitely not a guru. I'm just like you, a normal guy who wants the best things in life. Look, it almost feels unfair. Why do I have this special software and get to make all the money I want and you don't? I am a big believer in karma. Help out a fellow human being and good things will come your way. There hasn't even been one single year since I started working when I haven't donated something to charity. My parents raised me to be a helpful person, to respect and care for the community. Sadly, they're no longer alive, but their words still inspire me. I genuinely believe that my good deeds in the past are being rewarded today. Discovering this software has changed my life, but it hasn't changed who I am. In fact, when I started making crazy money, the first thing I did was help out my family and my close friends. Just last month, I helped my sister Jane have the wedding of her dreams. Ah, words don't do justice to how incredible it feels to be able to help her like I did. When you do it once and you enjoy it as much as I do, you want to do it over and over again. That's why I'm here right now sharing this software and money loophole with you. I know it might seem weird, but from this day forward, I want to get to know you better. I want to be a part of your life and care about your success. I already have all the money I need. That doesn't matter so much to me anymore. As I said earlier, it's a bit embarrassing to have as much money as I do. I know deep down that my parents would be really proud of what I'm doing today. That's what really matters to me. The world can be a real crappy place. If I'm in a position to help you and I don't do anything about it, then that makes me no different than the scummy internet gurus and the corrupt Wall Street bankers. So that's why I'm here right now giving you free access to my software, Extreme Profit Copier. My beta testers call it XPC. It's 100% done for you. Just point, click, and start making real money. It's that easy. In fact, right now, I'm going to show you live just how easy it is to make money with XPC. Let's check on Bill Parks, our beta tester. If you remember, I called him from my Skype a few minutes ago. I asked him to install the software and emailed him a few simple instructions to get started. Let's speak to him right now to see how he's getting on.
Hello?
Hey, Bill, it's David Wright again. How are you getting on?
Oh, hi, David. Well, I followed your instructions step by step, got the software installed on my computer, and then I actually stepped away to grab a coffee.
That's what I like to hear. And how easy or difficult did you find it on a scale of 1 to 10? 1 is really easy and 10 is very hard.
Oh, I'd definitely say 1, it was really easy. Think I got it set up in about 3 minutes.
3 minutes? Wow, that's even better than I expected. Okay, so now the big question. Have you checked your account yet?
What do you mean? Is the software already trading?
Oh yeah, depending on the market conditions, you might have had 2 or 3 trades already. Say, could you do me a favor and share your screen with me? Do you know how to do that?
Yeah, I think so. Give me a sec. Alrighty, hopefully you can see this. I'm logging in right now. Can you see it?
Yep, I can see it pretty well. When you log in, scroll right to the bottom of the page and zoom in so we can get a good look at your results.
Okay, let me do that. What does this mean?
Congratulations, you've already had 2 trades. As you can see on the screen, both of the trades were very profitable. Your total payout is $738. How does it feel to make that kind of money after clicking your mouse a few times?
What? Are you serious? I get to keep that?
I've never been more serious. It's all yours.
Holy crap, I literally set it up in just a few minutes. That's fucking insane.
Oh, careful with the language, please, Bill. I told you it was going to be crazy. That, my friend, is the power of my software app, Extreme Profit Copier. We're not done yet, though. Keep your computer and your phone on. I'll come back to you in a few more minutes to find out how you're doing.
Oh, for sure, David. Thanks so much for this. I'll be waiting for your call.
Thanks, Bill. Talk to you in a few minutes. Well, there you go. Live in front of your eyes, a complete beginner just made a small fortune in less than 5 minutes of having a download link for Extreme Profit Copier. All you need to do is follow a few simple instructions, click a few buttons, and you're done. The software does all the hard work for you. You go ahead and live your life, and it just keeps making money. Money like this. You don't need to know anything about computers or anything technical. If you've never been able to make money from the internet before, don't worry. It's so simple to use that anyone can make money quickly with it from the comfort of their own home. Even a complete newbie. In fact, if you can switch on a computer or phone and watch this video, you've got all the skills you need to make money fast with XPC. All you need is 19 minutes a day to position your mouse over a button and click it exactly how the software says. It's as simple as clicking any of the buttons or links you click hundreds of times each day you're online. Take a look at the results of one of our other beta testers, John Wood from Australia. John's a complete beginner, no previous experience at all. And in just his first day, he made $691 profit. Now pay attention. This is really important. Because I'm letting you in for free, I need to know if you qualify to use my software. I'm taking all the risk by working with you. So if you don't qualify, I'm sorry, but we can't work together. Sound fair? Okay, I only have 2 conditions before I let you in. First of all, I want you to use this technology in an ethical and lawful way. Otherwise, your license will be removed forever. Secondly, I need you to keep this software strictly confidential. I know that you'll want to share this with your friends and family, just like I did, but right now that's not possible. You can't even tell your partner about this. If this loophole is accidentally leaked to a big corporation or an internet guru, it will harm your profitability as well as mine. I'm taking a risk to even consider sharing this with you, so I need to know that you'll accept both of my conditions. Okay? Let's move on. Real quick, I want to tell you a bit more about me and how this software works. A year ago, I was exactly where you are right now, failing miserably at trying to make money online, failing over and over again. I lost over $17,300 on useless products and worthless coaching from the internet gurus. $17,300 completely wasted. The gurus will never tell you this. But the truth is that making money online is so damn hard. You don't want to spend every spare minute learning about how to make money. You just want a method which doesn't take up too much time and actually makes money. And who knew you'd have to learn so much stuff? How to be a drop shipper, a blogger, a talented writer, an SEO and PPC expert, a social media wizard, a product developer, a list builder, an affiliate marketer, and much, much more. How many millions have you made with any of those? Well, last year I gave up on trying to make money from internet marketing. And that's when I stumbled across the idea of making money from trading the financial market. When I first started trading, I opened free accounts with different brokers. It's through the broker that you actually trade. You deposit money with them, around $200 to get started, and then you place your trades through their trading platform. Whenever those trades are successful, you make a profit and the broker pays you your winnings. Pretty simple, right? But right away, I hit a major roadblock. A bit like the internet gurus, I suspected the brokers were playing dirty, but I couldn't prove it. After digging into it on the trading forums, I was shocked by some of the scams reported against brokers. The main complaint was that they were manipulating trades so that newbie traders like me would always end up losing. After being lied to for years by the internet gurus, this felt like same shit, different day. But I refused to give up. I desperately wanted to make trading work for me. I was so sick of being ridden with debt and struggling to pay my bills. I deserved better. My family deserved better. This needed to be my way out. I knew there were ordinary people out there crushing it by trading the financial markets. I'd seen hard evidence verified by reputable third parties that millionaires were being created by this phenomenon. But how could I break into that exclusive group of traders? It was at that point that my desperation led me to an interesting idea. What if I could somehow find a loophole in the way that these brokers run their businesses? An unfair advantage to beat them at their own dirty game. Is it even possible? How sophisticated and secure are their trading platforms? To answer these questions, I needed the help of a private internet investigator, someone who could infiltrate their security and spy on their operations. I started looking on Google, and in under a week, I found a private firm that was willing to take on my challenge. They didn't come cheap, but damn, they were worth every penny. For legal reasons, I can't go into too much detail about what exactly they did. But in simple terms, they spent many months analyzing every single trade I'd placed with the brokers. The aim was to find a consistent pattern or trend so that they could work out how the brokers were conning me and their other clients. And that's how they discovered a secret money loophole in the system of one of the biggest brokers out there. They uncovered an unfair advantage that literally no one was talking about. My next task was to develop software which could automatically exploit the secret money loophole over and over again. Remember, at the time I was slaving away as a software developer for a well-known corporation. I still remember the first time I ever used version 1.0 of the software. I placed my trades and then just sat motionless at my desk. There was nervous energy flowing through every single vein in my body as I waited anxiously for the results. Each second felt like a minute. And then this happened. In just the first 5 days of using this new software, I made a crazy $5,232. For the first time ever, I was making bags of cash day after day. I was trading with a kind of consistent profitability I used to think was a myth. This is so simple that even a total newbie can point and click their way to cash today. It doesn't matter if you have zero technical skills. It doesn't matter if you've never traded before. My push-button software, Extreme Profit Copier, is easy to use. There's nothing complicated about it at all. You don't need to know a thing about how trading works. All you need is 19 minutes a day to position your mouse over a button and click it exactly how the software says. It's as simple as clicking any of the buttons or links you click hundreds of times each day you're online. It's not a wild guess to predict that this will make money for you. It's tested and proven on over 1,611 trades over the last 12 months. It's virtually loss-proof and is proven to generate huge profits in any market conditions. When everyone is optimistic and the market goes up, you make money. When people are horrified because companies crash, you make money. When the market is stuck and nothing happens, you still make money. So I know this software is going to work for you no matter what. It doesn't matter if you have zero experience online or you're short on time. All you need is 19 minutes a day. Want to use the software for more than 19 minutes a day and make more money? You can. If you have more free time, then take as many trades as you can from the software. You decide how much money you want to make. Do you have more free time in the evening? Great! XPC generates push-button trades 24 hours a day. It doesn't matter what part of the world you live in. Our beta testers, ordinary people just like you from all corners of the world, are making money every single day and lots of it. Speaking of beta testers, let's get back to Bill.
Hello?
Hey Bill, it's David again.
Oh my God, let me show you my screen. Let me know if you can see this so I know I'm not seeing things. It looks like I got 2 more winning trades and I'm pretty sure it's been less than 10 minutes. This is mental.
Haha, you're not seeing things, and believe me, this is only the start. I'm going to ring you tomorrow to find out how much you made in your first day. I'm going to let you keep using the software for free, so use it as many times as you like. Just do me a favor. Don't share this with anyone right now. It's strictly confidential.
Wow, what can I say? Thank you so much, and don't worry, I won't tell a soul.
Oh, it's my pleasure. Thanks again for being brave enough to try it out tonight, and I'll speak to you tomorrow.
Thanks again, David. Talk to you tomorrow.
Okay, good night, Bill. I hope by now you can see the true power of Extreme Profit Copier. It's simple. It's fast, and it literally requires no knowledge or experience. It just needs to be plugged in. It's so easy, it's almost impossible for you to fail. You just saw how a complete newbie got set up and started making money in less than 10 minutes. You could literally be making money 10 minutes from now. How exciting is that? Let me just reiterate that. You could be making money 10 minutes from now. As soon as we developed this revolutionary software, we knew that the slimy gurus would try and duplicate our cash machine. That's why we quickly slapped a patent on it and filed it at the Intellectual Property Office. Meaning, anyone who ever tries to steal a single line of code from our new technology can be sued for up to $10 million. This is way different from anything you've ever seen before. In fact, it's so different from the other shady scams you've seen, you'll be flat out amazed when you try it because it actually works. And I don't mean it works a little and it's going to fizzle out and stop working. You've stumbled onto the real thing. Authentic super technology that is truly next generation and way ahead of the curve. Imagine this. In just the first 24 hours, your software pockets income like this. You're about to access a secret machine that will transform your dreams into reality. The best part is, you can't go wrong. Extreme Profit Copier won't let you. If you download my software, you can make money. The real question is, how much? Need to pay the deposit on a new home? Activate my software. Want to go on a dream vacation, buy a car, pay for your kids' college fund, buy lavish dinners? Then yes, activate my software. Because once you do, this money machine can fund whatever lifestyle you want. Check out this email I got from one of my early beta testers. Hi, David. It's been a while since I've been able to say this, but I'm happy. Really, really happy. And you're the person who's responsible for that. I've been worrying about money ever since I was 16 and worked my first job. So to finally stop worrying at the age of 52 is an amazing feeling. Thank you so much for letting me use your XPC software. I'll never forget the way you helped me. Have a truly blessed day, Chris. Oh, reading that email again right now gives me the chills. I feel so blessed to have been able to help Chris like that. It's an awesome feeling. I get emails like this almost every day since I shared my software with a few beta testers. So, you've seen it work for other people. Are you ready to let XPC work for you? You might be asking, if this all works, why do I need you? Well, I don't. My software is already set up to make me profit without you being involved. Some people might call me crazy for even thinking about sharing my software. But those people are ignorant and don't really understand who I am. It really matters to me that I only work with people who really need my help. I didn't become rich by luck or chance. It took blood, sweat, and tears, and years of hard work to get to where I am today. So I know what you're going through. I've been there. But that means I'm very picky about who I share my software with. The next thing we discuss is the most important part of the video. Right now, you're so close to making money like this in the next 24 hours. You really are just minutes away from your first $1,000 day. The feeling you get when you realize you made more money in one day than you did all month at your old job is incredible. Trust me, it's not fair that I get to experience this every day and you don't. I think you deserve better than lies, vague promises, and crappy software that isn't worth the grime on the bottom of my shoes. That's what you got from everybody else, and look where it's gotten you. So, what I'm going to do is this. Finally put my money where my mouth is and make the following promise to you. Download my software today and start making money by tonight. Within 2 weeks, you can make enough to feel confident about quitting your job. Within 30 days, you can make enough to pay off a debt, buy a new car, or whatever you want to treat yourself to. When it comes to whether you join or not, I don't push. Since you've been watching this far, I know you're at least curious to try it out. But you must promise me 2 things. Number 1, you never speak of this page or the Extreme Profit Copier software. Don't tell your friends, your family, not even your partner. The only person that can know is you, me, and the man upstairs. It's the only way we can protect the long-term profitability of our loophole. It's nothing personal. Number 2, you must never use the software in a way that is illegal or unethical. Okay? If you can promise me those 2 things, it's money time. Around 10 days ago, I had my software independently valued by an accountant. You've seen how even a complete newbie live on this call has made money in less than 10 minutes from activation. You should also know that if you're able to grab a license to use my software, you'll also get full-time support. I've hired a big team of men and women who are trained and are now experts with XPC. Because here's the thing. XPC is easy. To make it even easier, you'll get instant access to exclusive, over-the-shoulder, step-by-step VIP training from my dedicated team of experts. Consider them your personal success coaches. That kind of coaching would usually cost you around $3,000 a month, but it comes free with XPC. Whenever you've got any issue or you're unsure about anything, you've got the answers right at the tip of your fingertips. Taking into account the full value of the software and 24/7 support from your own personal success coaches, XPC has been independently valued at $4,495. My accountant thinks that's a fair price. But I don't agree with him, because I know right now you can't afford to pay $4,495. Since you've been specially invited to use this software, I've decided to make Extreme Profit Copier free for you. All you need to do is enter your best email on this page and then follow the instructions on the next page. Okay, so now that we've discussed exactly how this works, let me make something clear to you. You have two options right now. Option number one, you miss out on this. You do something stupid like close your web browser, go to another website, or tell yourself, I'll sign up tomorrow. Let me be frank with you. If you miss out on this now, you're going to lose this opportunity forever. The invitation that brought you here is one time only. You get in now, or you miss out forever. It's that simple. If you miss out on this now, and this is coming from experience, you're going to hate yourself later. You're going to really hate yourself when other people are making a killing. You can't even get it anymore. Don't blow it. You'll really be kicking yourself if you don't give this a try. Which leads us to option number two, the smart option. You sign up right now by entering your best email on this page, and then you follow the instructions on the next page. I'll guide you along the way the entire time, helping you out just like I have with all my beta testers. Do you see how perfect this is? You're going to finally have the tool you've been looking for all along. Powerful, automatic software that pulls money hands-free. If you can sit still enough to watch this video, then you have what it takes to make this kind of money starting today. Don't wait on this or think about it too much. Just take action. Sign up right now. I used to be just like you on the outside looking in, trying to figure out how to make money online. Well, right now the door is open. I'm telling you to come in and join me. Remember, not everyone is getting this opportunity. This is not available to the public. You were personally invited to join a small group of people. Once my group runs out of spots, it's over. You'll simply be unable to get in. This is your one shot. So please, please do not ignore this and let this opportunity die. If any part of you wants to make money, you should be really excited right now. I want to help you. Sign up right now. Come on, you've got nothing to lose. This is virtually 100% guaranteed to work. And I'm also giving you my personal guarantee. All you need to do is sign up below and get started. But you need to act now. Like I said, we've only got a limited number of licenses to give out, then it's over. Don't be mistaken. This is it. This is the only chance you'll ever get to start making money online today with Extreme Profit Copier. With absolutely no risk on your end, there's absolutely no reason not to do it. I want you to be the next success story, sending me voicemails like this.
Hey, David, it's Jerome. Just wanted to ring you again and say thank you. I had my best day yet today with XPC. Made more money than I made in the last two paychecks combined. Just feel like walking in tomorrow and telling my boss where he can shove his job. I'm going to give it one more week, though. Thanks again, bud. Shame I didn't catch you, but I'll talk to you later.
You might be thinking, how can I be so sure that this will work for you? With the online failure rate at 97%, you might be thinking, am I wasting my time with this? Not at all. My system rarely fails, and if it did, my reputation would be dirt within minutes. Trust me, this loophole is so powerful, it's almost impossible for you to lose money. There's no better way for you to make money than with my software app, and that's that. So you can keep watching this video if you like, but by now you might as well sign up and get started. Time is money, and you should realize this is a complete no-brainer. You should sign up right now and start making money right now. The longer you wait, the more money you're not making but could be making with Extreme Profit Copier. To get XPC right now and start making money right now, all you have to do is follow the simple instructions below. You'll then be taken to a page with some further instructions. And once you follow those simple instructions, you're in. You have lifetime unlimited access to XPC as soon as you sign up. The software itself is really easy. You don't need any technical ability. You don't need to know anything about trading. You don't need to have any experience. You don't need to be clever or even hardworking. You don't need anything besides just following my instructions. Not only that, But with my special 6 weeks of video coaching, I'm going to walk you through every single step. So there's literally no way you can fail. I'm going to personally guide you from making $0 to making consistent money every day using my software. Maybe you've tried making money from trading the markets before and it didn't work. Well, that's not going to happen this time. I'm going to personally make sure the money is put right into your account. Got it? There's literally no way you can fail if you jump in and accept my invitation. Click that big sexy button below and download your private copy of XPC. The software itself is 100% free to use for life. I know once you start making money, you'll never want this software to turn off. Imagine activating a software, then enjoying doing things that make you happy. Take the dog for a walk, play with your kids, heck, drink a beer. I mean, really, it doesn't matter. Then imagine coming back a few hours later to see you've made more money playing around for a few hours than you ever did at your boring job all week or even month. This is now your reality as soon as you follow the instructions below. From there, I'll take you to a secure page, and all you have to do is follow some simple instructions to get started. You can be making money within mere minutes after activation. Right now, you don't get to think about it and come back later. This is the only shot you are going to get. No more second chances. Why wait a lifetime to become an overnight success when you don't have to wait another minute? Click the button below right now. I know deep down you are a good person, which is why you are still here, but it is time to roll your sleeves up and get greedy. You have people who are counting on you. Hey, scared money doesn't make any money. You're picking up what I'm laying down? Time to stop making a million excuses and time to start making millions of dollars. My XPC software is the solution to your obvious cash flow problems. Click the button below now. This is it. I am about to end this video, and when it's over, your chance to financial freedom is over. Once I feel I've helped enough people make life-changing money, I'm shutting down this amazing offer for good. I'll never reopen it again. Will you be one of my next millionaire students? Okay, I've done all I can to get this into your home, but I won't beg. If you can't already see the no-brainer opportunity right in front of your eyes, then you deserve to be broke, scammed, and lost. But something tells me you don't want that life anymore. Prove it by clicking the button below and making money on the very first day, just like our beta tester did. The cash is waiting for you to grab it, but you've got to make the move first. Click the button below and secure your spot. I have a members-only message for you waiting on the other side, something you won't want to miss. Time for the big money. Time to get rich. Download my XPC software now, and I'll see you on the next page. It really is the easiest cash system ever created to date. You've never seen anything like this before, and right here on this page, I'm going to let you download it for free. I'm giving you the chance right now to create your dream life. Step into my shoes. Trust me, it's very comfortable. The beauty of this software is that all of your wildest dreams now become your reality. And it all comes true once you push the button below. Remember, I'm just a guy in his backyard making this video for you. I've made a lot of money, but I still remember where I came from, and I'm excited to help you. So right now, sign up before it's too late. Confirm your lifetime access to XPC. As soon as you get inside, I'll explain everything. So get your information ready. Make sure to sign up below this video. Do it right now. Don't wait a second longer. And I'll see you on the next page.